couldn't have any thought of receiving Jesus because I saw it like it's a waste. My parents were in the church. I could see their lives. I could see how my mom and my dad were behaving. I could also see the church because my parents were serving God. I could see how they were not united. They had no time. They were just praying. And if you have anything to ask from them, they will give you harsh answers because they are busy for the Lord. I couldn't have any thought of receiving Jesus because I saw it like it's a waste. But in the year 1996, when the message of the cross was preached in my place, Serengeti, we saw our parents coming back close to us. We started to be friends. One time I remember my dad asked for forgiveness from me, and that thing changed my heart. And I said one day, if the Lord will give me a chance, I want to be like my parents. So I saw that example and it motivated me to draw closer to the Lord. And one time, the Lord also touched my life and I got born again. I had the desire that one day I can also have a family that is united the way as my parents are now after the gospel. So I thank God. After some times, I grew in the church and then I got married. And now I'm in the marriage. This is my 15th year. And we are together. We are serving God together with my husband. There is joy in the midst of anything, distractions, issues, but I feel to draw closer to Him. And this is because of the message of the cross and the work of the message of the cross in our lives. And we thank God for that.